Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to find MetaMask private key. For that, launch your MetaMask mobile application first. Then here you need to tap on this gear icon or this settings tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Over here among the given options, you need to select the security and privacy option first. And here if you scroll down, you won't be able to see any of the private keys option, because in MetaMask account you don't need to actually have the private key. If you have your secret recovery phrase, you are good to go and you will be able to import your MetaMask account. So in order to find your secret recovery phrase, you need to tap on reveal secret recovery phrase. Then it will show you this type of quiz banner where you need to tap on get started. After that, you just have to give the answer to these two questions, which is if you lose your secret recovery phrase, MetaMask can recover it or can't recover it. So you need to select the second one, then press continue. After that, the second question will be if anyone, even a support agent, asks for the recovery phrase, then you are being scammed and you should give it to them. So select the first option, that would be you are being scammed, which is the right answer, and you will be able to see the secret recovery phrase in front of you. I cannot show you that, so you just have to do it on your own. So you just have to simply copy that secret recovery phrase, and you can use that in order to import your MetaMask wallet into another phone or into another MetaMask account of yours. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video, comments and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.